Dim sum is a Cantonese term which means snacks. Dim sum is usually eaten as breakfast or brunch. However, because this food is popular in the world from Hong Kong, the term dim sum is more popular than dancing. The ingredients for making dim sum are chicken, shrimp, eggs, flour, vegetable, and many others. Dim sum itself has a chewy texture but is not crispy like meatball. So, to make it, there are several things you need to pay attention to. Dim sum is a food that many people are interested in because it tastes delicious.